What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I'm Johnny, watching Exhaust Note channel. We're gonna work on another little project. As you can see, I got the mirror off. Got a couple little tools here. We're gonna try this little, it's that vinyl I bought recently, but it has like that brushed aluminum or metal black aluminum look or something, brushed black. I don't know what they actually call it, I forget here. Got my tool set up, took off the mirror cap, cleaned it off. This might be a lot easier to wrap this with this off, because when I did it when it was on, I ran into problems kind of getting it around and underneath. You got to get under the mirror. At least it looks like did I break some pieces? Let's see. I don't think I broke any pieces. I don't think it broke anything. It looks like all the tabs are intact. All little everything's intact. Oh, I think right here, like the little pieces kind of, the ones that align it, we should be good though, because the tabs are still intact, so we're good there. That's what I was worried about breaking when I took this off. So I'm going to try to wrap this thing here when it's on, or I should say off the car, because that should be a whole lot easier. Yes, I'm in the sweatbox garage, and you know I'm going to be sweating like crazy, even though it's rained outside. I don't know if you guys can see out there. It was raining. It's still kind of cloudy over there. I don't know if you guys can see those clouds out there, but it did rain. And we had to open the garage up, cooled it off significantly, because today it was super hot. I got my little fan oscillating in here, cooling off the air in here for now. I will have to stop it from oscillating because I don't need it blowing around my vinyl when I'm trying to wrap this thing. So I'm going to work on this project. I'm going to try to get this done as quick as possible. This is going to be a real quick video. I'm just going to work on this. I was going to do the lights, this parking lights here, because I think I got them over here somewhere. Yeah, here they go. I got these lights right here to put in, as you guys can see. And it's obviously the amber ones, the ones on the end. But except I looked at some videos online to do that, and it seems that my car is not the same. I don't know if it's maybe the convertible that is different than the rest of these. But inside here, well, let me set my little flashlight. Let's grab this little flashlight. See if I can shine it in there. Let's go, guys. You coming with me? You guys are following me everywhere. Let's flip this camera around. Let's get in here. Now, turn the light on. Hopefully you guys can see. In here, the light should be right about where that light is shining. I know it's probably not picking up very good. Let's see if it goes in there good. Yeah. See, I don't have anything in there. Everybody else has like this little cap opening, little door right there that allows them to get to the light, and I don't have anything. There's nothing in there. There's no cap. So as that means, I might have to take that whole tire off to get that plastic piece out of the way, or I don't even know if that's plastic, but vinyl maybe, plastic. Anyway, it's the lining for the wheel well. I'm gonna have to unbutton that. I'll have to, maybe if I could turn the wheel one day. I don't know really how it's gonna work out, but I might have to mess with that off camera one day to see how it works, and I'll do a how-to. So definitely pretty easy to get these mirrors off. If you guys have no idea how to get them off, grab a little pry tool like this. You basically just kind of work your way around these. I wasn't sure where these clips were, to be honest with you, so I went 100%. But if you kind of do it where the clips are, you'll hear it kind of pop for a second, and it won't actually come completely off. You get that one, and then if you can get underneath here, I obviously have the mirror folded out, a little easier to get you pop that bottom one, and then you can just pry it right out. It'll come right off. But this corner right here is kind of inside, so you got to make sure when you lift it, you got to kind of get this out first before you get it out of there, because this little corner right there is like kind of in it. It's inside the little corner, so you got to be careful with that. You don't break it off and just yank it out of there. Yeah, mine, these years they didn't have turn signal on the mirrors, so there was nothing to worry about unplugging or anything like that. At least not that I know of. I wonder if there's a way to switch that out to some lighting. I'm sure there is if you want to do wiring, but I'm not going to do any wiring. I had enough of this. That backup camera, I think that traumatized me. I had to hook up that relay. I mean, you guys got to see that video. Go check out the build series and that was a lot of work to do that backup camera. This car just doesn't have all the right stuff. So either way, I'm gonna get to work on this right here. I'm gonna try not to bore you guys with a lot of the pulling and tugging and heating and all that stuff. Hopefully I can have it on there and I'll pop it back in, make it look good, go over how I did it the best way I could get it through, and then hopefully we'll be done with this video soon, man. Don't forget to subscribe. So I'm gonna get working on this. Now before I get started, I watched a few videos that make sense on these. Basically, what everybody says is you just lay the vinyl down and let it do its thing to the mirror before you try to really work too hard on it. Since I don't have like any extra tools that open the vinyl up, you know, and heat it and stick it over better, I think that you know, I got to do it one-handed. So, or well, not one-handed, but by myself here. So it's a little different. It's, you know, inexperienced on doing this. So I had to watch a few videos how to do it, but pretty much they kind of just say just kind of lay it down and let it do its thing, and then you can just work it out with a little bit of stretching and then some heat when it gets around to the corner's edge, and then you relieve tension when you get to some of these corners down at the bottom and stuff like that. Just should be a whole lot easier. Definitely not having it up there. So I'm gonna work on this here. So let's hope this comes out good and it looks fine, and I can cut it and put it back on, and then we can do the passenger one. And just like that, bam! I think it came out pretty good. I kind of like the brush look. There's still some like slight imperfections in lighting you can see. There's really no major distortion from me stretching. It was kind of hard. You can see where I cut it around the edges, but that's not exposed. I got it around the corners. This is definitely better taking this off, but it's kind of hard to do, man. This angle and like the way the mirror's shaped, it gets a lot of tension. Once you start building it, you're way down, you get a lot of tension in this corner over here. So I don't know if I should stretch this, do this part first next time. I don't know. Maybe it'll be easier when I get to that other one, but this came out pretty good. So we're gonna pop this back on. I wonder if I could do it one-handed. Let's see. Let's see. We get it. Get it in there. Let's see. Nope. We got to make sure we get that one piece. Got to go up in there. So. No. I don't think that worked. I don't think that's working there. I think I got to get it like in this little groove right here. Let's see. Got to get underneath there. That on? No, that's not on all the way. Let's see if we can get this here, guys. This is a little bit of a doozy, huh? I don't, this isn't on, because let me see. Let's go over this mirror real quick. Yeah, see how it's flush there? It's not flush here, so that's what I said about you have to get it in that little spot. Oh, we might have to two-hand this. We got to make sure we get it on here. I think I might have to let this go, and I'll get this on. We'll be back. Yeah, that took two hands. Here we go. Looks good. Everything stayed on good. Yeah, that bottom piece you got to watch. There's a little clip down here that it kept going on the outside. I didn't notice. So, but it's definitely on now. It's popped in good. So look at that. I think that looks pretty darn good, guys. What do you think? Damn, now we got to get that spoiler, because now it's not going to match. Let's turn this, get this button out. Oh yeah, I kind of like that brush look. Let me know what you guys think about this little satin brush look. This looks good. Looks real good. Let's get this out of here. We don't, that doesn't need to be in the image. Let's get that over here. Oh yeah, huh? Yeah, this came out real good. It's nice and flush there. Everything, the corners are in good. Feels good. A couple of small minor bubbles, but I'm gonna let the heat kind of see if we can get the heat to deal with that. See if we can get the sun to fix some of those. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, man. The mirrors, the red, the black. Let's zoom in there. Bang. Zoom out. Go over here to the red. Zoom in. Wide angle. Look at that. A red, black. Ah, man, I'm liking that black. It's gonna look good, man. This looks way better. Goes good with the with the black frames now. No chrome. The black turn signals. We just gotta. I know, guys. This is coming. I gotta figure this out. I gotta figure these wheels out. Everything's so back ordered. I haven't ordered anything. It's hard to get tires, so at least the sizes that I want to get. This looks good. Let's get that other mirror on. And see, we'll do a final look at the end here. So this one was a pain in the butt to get off. It was twice as hard as that other one. So I guess you got to be kind of careful because I did break some of these little tabs here. I don't know. It's like a few of them are broken. The other one I think it was like 2 of them broke. This one I broke a few of them. So could not get it off. It fell on the floor. Got scratched up. Well, what do you do? It doesn't matter. It's about to get wrapped, so you won't even. I guess you'll kind of notice that if it's on the bottom, you know. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but it should be fine. Clumsy. Okay, boys and girls. Naturally, obviously, this mirror had to be a lot easier because that's the project mirror. That's the secondary one, and that's the one you do better. So this one's already on. Now, I know, obviously, you don't see how long it took me, but it was about half the time of that one. I did something totally different, and it ended up working in my favor. So this one came out a whole lot better. Now, not that one is bad. It just took me longer to get it, adhered better, and it looks a lot better. It's got just needs to hold down with the sun. The sun will bake it down a little bit better and shrink it in and hold that glue in. Hopefully, it should look pretty good. So both mirrors are done. Looking good here. Yeah, we're looking good. I mean, no complaints. It's holding pretty good. Huh? Let's unfold the mirrors here. Let's unfold them. We got some blackout going here. Unfold those mirrors. There we go, huh? There we go. Let's get that one zoomed in, huh? Looking good. Left mirror, right mirror. All right. We'll have to get this when it's not raining outside in the sunlight, because right now it's raining. It's Florida. It's nice and cool though, so no complaints, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment below what you think I should black out as well too. Should I get the door handles? Should I do my door handles? I don't know. I think that's a bit much. And I'm not really crazy about wrapping this because this is, or maybe accent it. Only wrap up until this little curve. Leave the inside red. What do you think? And then wrap this piece here and then wrap it around here, but leave this inside red. That's kind of an idea. I have no idea how to do this. Comment below if you guys have ever wrapped a spoiler like this, because I'm not taking it off. It's got this center piece in here. I don't know how to do that one, so we're not doing this. Somebody mentioned this. We're leaving that red. That's kind of ricey, I think. I don't know, but I'm wrapping pieces, so making my Beamer ricey. So what do you think? Anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for many more episodes because I got a lot more going on with this car. So try to squeeze through this garage here. I didn't park far enough back. But make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button. Hit the bell icon because that will keep you notified when I get new updates on the build. N54, 335. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.